In today's video, you're gonna learn the fastest and easiest way to freeze spinach without blanching it. This is a great way to freeze spinach for short-term storage, meaning up to 3 months in the freezer. Whether you bought a bag of spinach or a jumbo-sized container and don't want it to go to waste, freezing it now will ensure that you have it on hand to throw into smoothies and omelets, pasta dishes, and I'm gonna show you how to freeze the spinach out of both. If the spinach is in a plastic container, the best way to freeze it is by transferring the spinach leaves inside a zip bag, pressing the air out, sealing it, and then putting it in your freezer. By the way, I'm Laura, and on this channel, I share lots of helpful videos like this one to help you cook fresh meals for yourself and your family. If it's the end of the week and have some spinach left inside of the bag, all you have to do is transfer it into a zip bag, especially if you have some leaves that are a little wilty and those wet ones, you're gonna make sure to throw those out. Now do me a favor, if you find today's video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It lets me know that I should create more videos like this on my channel. My grocery store sometimes have these bags of spinach on sales, and this bag is fresh and not opened, so I simply just place it in the freezer as is in the bag. Now after I open it and use some of the frozen spinach in a smoothie or in a recipe, I'll let the air out, fold it over so then it takes up less space in the freezer. Below this video, I'm gonna share with you some ways that you can use up your frozen spinach, and I hope to see you in another video since I share new ones a few times a week. See you next time.